Alright, that's not fair, guys. In US there are so many free stock trading brokers like Interactive Brokers, the Ameritrade, the E-Trade, and in India you guys have Zerodha. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. But in Europe, you are screwed. I'm kidding, of course. In Europe there are a few brokers and I'm gonna talk about one of them called Trading 212, and it's not just a free stock broker where we don't pay commissions when purchasing and selling stocks, but if you open a brand new account and you use the link down in the description called PetcoA, you will be able to get a free stock valued up to 100 euros. So stay with me until the end of the video to see why I'm using Trading 212 app on my mobile device. This is not a sponsored video, and if you're ready, let's go for it. Hi, my name is Petko Alexandru. Hope you are having a great day, and in today's video I'll talk about the Trading 212 app, how you can trade your free stock from the link that I have mentioned down in the description. As well, I will show you what it is to trade stocks from a mobile device, because personally for me it was hard to get used to it. I have spent years trading on the web browser, on platforms installed on my computer like MetaTrader, and I was skeptical about trading from a mobile device. However, nowadays I trade crypto and stocks mostly from my mobile device, and I still trade forex with robots and expert advisors on MetaTrader because I don't need to spend any time in front of the computer. The robots do their work and I spend less time in front of the charts. Now, before I give you an idea about those investing apps on mobile, I want to make sure you understand the difference between free stock trading broker and getting a free stock from a broker. So the free stock trading brokers are those companies that offer us access to real stocks without paying commission. So whenever we buy and sell, we don't pay the commission. In simple words, the broker covers that for us. And how is that possible, you may ask? Competition. There are so many brokers nowadays and they all fight for the clients, the users, us, the traders, and covering the commission as one of those things that are welcome for us. And getting a free stock from the broker simply means that if you use a promo code or they are running some campaign, you can get an actual free real stock in your account. And it depends on where you live. There might be some requirements for minimum deposits like 1 or 10 euro, or if you're in a country that the company does not accept clients, you won't be able to take advantage of that at all. For example, me, I cannot take advantage of Webull promotions, and currently they're running this crazy promotion that they give 5 stocks for free for the new clients, but because I'm based in Bulgaria and Europe, I cannot register with Webull as they work in the US. However, I personally think that with time, brokers will expand all over the world, and I'm pretty sure that Trading 212 will expand as well in Asia, in UK, in the States hopefully, and everyone will be able to take advantage of those promotions. And one more thing before I show you the app, I want to make sure that you understand what is fractional trading, because this is what made those brokers so popular. This is the opportunity for us to buy a piece of a stock. For example, I can buy Apple stock for $10. It doesn't mean that Trading 212 will give me one Apple stock for $10. It means that I will buy a piece of an Apple stock that is valued at $10. I'll be buying just a small piece from the stock. Where is the rest? It is with the company, and they're selling it to many different clients. And this is super cool because if you want to own Amazon or Google stock and you cannot afford to spend $2,000-$3,000 for one single stock, you can just buy a piece of that stock for $10, $50, $100, $200. It depends on how much you want to trade. Alright guys, so now let me show you their app very quickly so you will get the idea what it is to have such an app on your phone. It is very easy to use. You have a few categories like popular stocks, or these are stocks that are most traded. Of course, if a stock is most traded, doesn't mean it will increase in value over time. It simply means that it's a lot of trading going on, but there are obviously buy and sell orders at the same time. And you can see that the first one is Tesla, again over $1,000. We have Apple, Neo, Coinbase. But if I hit on Tesla, you'll see that I have a small graph below, so I can see where the market is going in the last 1 year. If you want to see where the market is going in the last 1 month, you just click on 1 month. And then below we have the company details, where you can read more about Tesla. And then we have the SEO, Elon Musk. I'm not sure if you have heard of him. Then you can see that they have nearly 100,000 employees and they're based in the US. And we have some key ratios which are actually very important, but I will dig into those in another video. And then we have some financial summary, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. It's a lot of information that they provide for each stock, and this is within the apps, which is pretty cool. You don't need to Google all of that information, it is on one place. Here we see grouped US stocks, so here you will find the stocks that are coming from the US. Then we have UK stocks, then we have the new listed stocks on Trading 212. Just like with the cryptocurrencies, people like to trade new listed assets because they want to catch the momentum, they want to buy before the crypto or the stock gets on most exchanges and brokers. Then we have ETFs, and then we have dividend strategy. So the dividend strategy is probably the most popular out there, with the very simple words for the very beginners. It is a strategy where we buy stocks from companies that are paying dividends. We can say an average percentage is 4, 5, 6, or let's say 5% per year, meaning that if you invest in a company $100,000, you would get approximately $5,000 as a dividend income. And of course, if the stock increases in time, you will be on a profit. If it decreases in time, you will be on a loss. And this is why you have the option to create a portfolio of assets, or in other words, to buy different stocks and build a basket of stocks, so you will be diversifying the risk. For example, if realty income goes down but the others you have in the portfolio goes up, overall performance of the portfolio will be on the positive side. Now if I hit on the portfolio, you will see that I have invested in Apple and I have bought 10 shares and I have gained 154 euro, or that is about 11%, and as well I have gained 62 euro from the FX impact. And what that is, if I click on the info, is the difference between the currencies, because I'm purchasing in euro and I'm purchasing an American stock in US dollars, and recently the euro dollar is going down, or the dollar increased in value. I have earned actually 62 euro because of the difference between euro and dollar. Now you can see that the app calculates an average price. Now these 10 shares I didn't buy at once, I have bought a few times, and you can see that line is my average price, so I can see where is the current price compared to my average position. And you can see that some time ago I went a little bit on a loss, and then the market recovered again and it is a little bit on a profit. And actually at my entry level we have that support level, which previously was a resistance level, and now we have that important level right there at a little bit above $150. So below I have the option to sell or to buy more. It is Sunday, the market is closed, I can't really do a lot about it, and below is the information about Apple. Alright guys, and if I scroll lower you will see that I have the history, or these are all the transactions that I have done with Apple stock. And actually we have dividend here, even with Apple is very small, but you can see that for the 10 shares. I have received 1.74 the last time. Previously I have bought 8 stocks and then I have 3 times dividends. So you see that one time I have bought 194, then I have bought 806. So in total I have 10 shares, and if I don't have the app telling me what is my average price, sometimes it's hard to calculate, especially if you're a beginner, but they just made it easy and they tell me that my average price is 153. So this is the average position for my 2 entries, and it's easy to see if I'm on profit or if I'm on loss. And actually right now Apple is forming this double top, and even we have a lower high than the previous one, and I might sell those 10 shares because I want to put this 200 euro in my pocket as a profit, and I'll be waiting for better opportunities to buy the Apple stock cheaper. Of course, the price might go up and then usually people start to regret that they have sold it, but I will tell you one thing: if you sell stocks, crypto, anything on a profit, you never regret about it. There will be another opportunity, you will buy it on a cheaper price, you will make profits again. No regrets. Companies like Trading212 make it accessible to everyone to buy and trade stocks from the mobile device, which is pretty cool. You can earn dividends, you can trade daily. It's a personal choice. Don't take anything in this video as a financial advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes. One more time, grab your free stock from the link down in the description. I thank you very much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, and if you are interested in trading stocks with robots, check out those free videos right here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.